Yo guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to explain the exact strategy of the ICT silver bullet strategy. By mastering the strategy, you can able to make these kind of trades every day at the New York session. If you master the strategy, you can be enough profitable, enough consistently profitable, and make some good amount of profits from the market. In this video, I'm going to explain the exact step-by-step scenario and the checklist which you require in order to take this type of ICT silver bullet strategies. So the checklist is I have divided the checklist into 5 points. They are mainly timing, liquidity grab, imbalance, MSS. MSS means nothing but the market structure shift and the entry and stop loss. So if you follow this video by the end, you can able to be consistently profitable trader. I sure and I promise, and the ICT also promised, not even me. ICT told that if you master this strategy, you can quit your job in 90 days. This is that much powerful, very powerful strategy. Very powerful strategy. I swear, if the strategy I found this strategy 2 years or 3 years back, then I didn't lose that much amount of money in the market. It will help me a lot. Yeah. So straight to the video. The first thing is timing. The timing window is 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Always we should look for the market in this time window 8 a.m. You should always use the New York time -4. If you use the another timing, you will get lost in the markets. You should always make sure that you are using the New York time zone. -4, 18:30 to 11:30. You should always look the price action in this time window only from 18:30 to 11. You should not care what happens here. What happens here? You should not care. You should only care the price action that happened here. You should only use this price action to mark the liquidity, where the liquidity is, where the smart money people and the retail people are getting trapped into the market. You should only use this. Until then, you don't use this. Okay? And again, the next checklist is, and the next point in the checklist is liquidity graph. The liquidity graph should be happened at the nearest high or nearest low. Let's say this is the market, and the market is coming like this, and at that time window there should be a liquidity graph. So you should always mark the liquidities. Always mark the nearest liquidities. If this is the nearest liquidity and there is a huge imbalance, then this is the area we should look on. Yeah, we should always mark the nearest liquidities in the time zone of 8 to 11:30, and we should wait for the liquidity graph to be taken out. Yeah, and coming to the third point of the checklist is the imbalance. This is the imbalance in the. It's a very important. The imbalance tells us, is it the liquidity grab or a break of the structure? This is the very important topic I want to discuss. I will cover it in this video. Many people ask, how can we know whether it's a break of the structure or a stop hunt? The only reason we can know is by using the imbalance concept of the ICT. See, the normal structure will look like this, higher highs and higher lows. But when it comes to know whether it's a inducements or a liquidity, we should see a huge gap of imbalance, huge imbalance in this leg. There should be huge imbalance. If there is a huge imbalance, then we can make sure it's ICT's liquidity gap, then we can sell. We can sell it from here. Target this trend line liquidity. This is very simple strategy, man. If you understand liquidity, then you can conquer the markets. Took me 5 to 6 years to understand the single liquidity concept, and I am telling you in the minutes. It's very easy. You are learning from the Forex professional guys. Yeah, imbalance, and I swear I thank ICT. Imbalance, and you should identify the imbalance. This is the third point of the checklist, and the fourth point of the checklist, you should always have a break of the structure. If you don't have a break of the structure, then the transition is not happened in the market. It means the transition is not happened, and the market is not ready to go down or go up according to the liquidity graph. And the most important point in the MSS is the market structure shift should be always happen in the direction opposite to the liquidity graph. I will explain here. Yeah, let's say this is the time window of 8:30. Yeah, and let's say there is a high here and the market took this high and between this time window, and let's say there is a huge imbalance and there is a structure like this. So this is a MSS, this is a shift in the market structure. So the transaction happened, then we can easily, this is the bread and butter setup. what I call usually. This is the trade we usually take in the markets. This is the simple trading strategy. Very simple. If you can master this, you can conquer the markets. I can show. Watch this video. By the end, I will show you many backtested examples so that you can understand. And also, if you want to join the private mentorship of my liquidity concept, liquidity inducement theorems, yeah, and I can make sure I don't teach this type of simple strategies of ICT. Yeah, I don't say these strategies won't work. Every strategy works in the market, but if you wanna learn deep about the liquidity and inducements in the markets, yeah, I have given my WhatsApp number in the description. Please make sure. Yeah. Then back to the video. If the market structure shift is not there, then it's the market is not ready to go in the direction of the liquidity. It's more probably break of the structure. The market will continue to the upwards. Yeah. These are the things we should look in the market before the session has started. We should always look for the timing. When the timing suits, we should look for the liquidity graph. When the liquidity graph is there, we should look for the imbalance. When the imbalance is there, whether the imbalance is formed with a market structure shift or the imbalance is just formed like a single candle. If the imbalance is formed by a market structure shift, then there is a high probable chance of getting the money of the trade. Then enter stop loss. Enter should be straight to the imbalance and exit to the straight to the liquidity point. Now I will explain each and every point in the checklist I have annotated for you, and you can get the checklist in the description. See, I am showing you the live trades, bro. This is the trade I took literally on today. 8:11:30. These are the time windows, right? See, I will backtest for everything for you guys. I work fucking hard for you and for your health, wealth. Or the simple thing, I always mark the liquidity points before going to the session. These are the liquidity points I only have before I go into the session. I patiently wait before any liquidity is taken out. See, the buy side liquidity is taken out. Ask yourself, when the buy side liquidity is taken out, what liquidity you should target? Of course, the sell side liquidity, right? Any broker can know. See, there is imbalance now here. Can you see the imbalance? From this candle to this candle, there is an imbalance. There is inefficient price action. What ICT called? There is an inefficient price action. So when there is an inefficient price action, the market should come and fill that gap. The markets don't like the inefficient price actions. Always the markets come and fill the gaps. So that's why these are the very important points. And what I target? I target another imbalance. See, there is a clear imbalance here. From this candle to this candle, this black candle to this candle, there is a clear imbalance. It's also structural liquidity. See guys, simple, very simple trades. If you can master this simple strategy, you can be enough profitable. These trades occur on daily basis. Daily it will occur at once or twice. See, I will explain how the checklist will work. If what's the first point on the checklist? First point is timing. Yeah, we note down the timings by using the blue bars. And liquidity graph, where is the liquidity graph? The liquidity graph is here. The market took the buy side liquidity. And is there the imbalance? Yeah, of course there is imbalance where we entered. And is there any market maker shift? Let's check on the 1 minute. Is there any market maker shift or not? Can you see the market maker shift here? The market is moving in the uptrend like this, and it broke the structure. So there is a market maker shift. So this is a bread and butter setup, guys. This is a bread and butter setup. I have never seen a strategy easy than this one. This is very easy strategy. If you are a beginner in the forex market, if you can learn this, you can be enough profitable in the market. This is the very easy way, very easy strategy. Yeah. Please watch this video again and again so that you can know how much powerful and efficient this strategy is. Again, the same checklist. What is the first checklist? First point in the checklist. Mark the timings 8 to 11:30. And again, what's the second point in the checklist? Mark the liquidity zones. This is one liquidity zone and another liquidity zone. This is one another liquidity zone, right? These are the two liquidity zones that are there in the markets, right? And is there any break of the structure after breaking this? There is no break of the structure, so we don't enter the trade here and take a loss. And is there any break of the structure after this? There is no break of the structure after this. But can you see this break of the structure with huge aggression? Huge aggression. This is what we need. This huge aggression is what we need, guys. This is the huge aggression what we need. And where's imbalance? We enter here. Can you see the imbalance from this candle to this candle? From this candle to this candle, there is imbalance, right? We just enter it here and we get tagged from this candle. And stop loss, you can have a stop loss like this below this low. Yeah, you will get 3 RR. And what's your target? What it told at the last point of checklist, iterate the imbalance and the target is the liquidity. This is the nearest liquidity, right? Nearest high target liquidity. Yeah. And can you see again the liquidity sweep happened? Again the break of the structure happened. Can you see the clear break of the structure here? And can you see the imbalance here? Where is the first imbalance in the market? See, the first imbalance in the market is here. Let's use the color violet for the imbalances. And where's the another imbalance? The another imbalance is here. Can you see how the market exactly touched the imbalance and reversed it, right? This is what the position in the market is. See, exactly the market reversed it from the edge. This is the power of the trading strategy, guys. I can't even stress enough to learn you. If you want to really earn money in the markets, you should learn this simple stuff, man. This is worth. Watch this video 5 or 10 times until you got the strategy. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section, or I will make even a other video about this strategy. This is bullet strategy is enough for you to be profitable in the markets. Yeah, if you wanna join private group, just DM me. And the May bootcamp is running. Make use of it. Have a good day, guys. Peace.